Hello, I'm Mrs. Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati Tutorials. If you like my videos, then please like it and subscribe it. Today I will solve some more problems for permutation. A college day committee consists of principal, 4 professors and 2 students. Representatives. They are to be seated in a row for a photograph. See, whenever some people, they want to sit for a photograph or anything in a row, it is a permutation problem. Now it is very easy to know it is permutation because I am doing permutation. When I will do combination, that time you should know either it is permutation or combination. So when order is important, it is permutation problem because 2 persons, they will interchange their places, photograph will come different. So order is important. So that the principal is in the center, means he sits at the center, and 2 students chairs at the end. 2 students occupy here it is not written, occupy the chairs at the end. How many different photographs can be taken? Now, 1 principal is there, 4 professors are there, 2 students are there, means totally there are 7 persons. So 7 chairs are here. Principal will sit at the center. So there is no choice. Principal has no choice, or this seat can be filled in only way. Only principal can sit here. Now end places can be occupied by 2 students. So there are 2 students. So this place can be occupied by 2 ways. When 1 student is sitting here, 1 will remain, and there is no other way, that there will be only 1 way to occupy this seat. And remaining 4 professors, conditions are not there. 4 professors and 4 seats are there. So they can sit in 4 factorial ways. I will explain you again. Principal can sit in only 1 way, middle place. First place can be filled by 2 ways by any one of the students. Therefore, students can sit in 2 into 1, that is 2 ways. This is 2 ways, this is 1 way. If there are 3 students, it would have been 3 here, here it is 2. Last place can be filled in only 1 way. Now for 4 professors, there are 4 seats, so they can sit in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of ways will be 1 into 2 into 4 factorial, that is 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 48. Next problem. Such type of problems can be asked in the examination. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using 6 digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Because in numbers, when you write numbers, order is important because 13, 1, 3 and 3, 1 is different number. So this is permutation problem. If no digit is repeated, repetition is not there in the same number. Second question is asked, repetition of the digits is allowed. See here, 4-digit numbers, first I will take when repetition, no digit is repeated. So first place I will fill because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there in 6 ways. 1 number is taken here, 1 digit is taken here, so 5 will remain, that can be filled in 5 ways. Next one 4 ways, 3 ways. So total number of ways will be by fundamental principle, it will be this into this into this into this. First place can be filled in 6 ways, second in 5 ways, third in 4 ways, fourth in 3 ways. So total number of ways will be 6, 5, 4, 3, that is 360 ways. Or instead of writing all these things, you can write out of 6 digits, we have to take 4 at a time. So it will be 6p4. So this is equals to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, it is same. Now question comes, these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Instead of 9, if I write 0, what happens if 0 is there? Now first question, when we want 4-digit number, see here 4-digit number. Now this place we cannot fill by 0 because if I write 0 here, number will become 3-digit. So here I can fill it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. After that I can include 0. So this is 5 ways, and after that I can include 0, but 1 number has gone here. Repetition is not allowed. So this I can fill in again 5 ways only, because one number is gone here. Now 2 numbers are gone here, so 4 ways into 3 ways. If 0 is there, it would have been 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. In that case, I cannot use this. If at all, I can use here this in 5 ways and remaining this in 5 ways, and remaining I can write is 5p3 ways. 5 numbers will remain 5p3. One number has taken here. Now we can include 0 here. So 5p3 ways I can write like this. But I cannot write directly like this. So when 0 comes, you must be careful. When repetition is allowed, again 0 is there. When repetition is allowed, this problem is not there, but I am explaining you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways, because 0 I should not take. Now here I can take 0. Repetition is allowed. I can include 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can write in 6 ways. Repetition is allowed. I can write in 6 ways. I can write in 6 ways. So this will be the answer. 5 into 6 into 6 into 6. Because 0 we should not take. This is when repetition is allowed. We can repeat same element. This element also I can write here. So it will become 6 ways, 6 ways, 6 ways. Only 0 I should not take. That's why 5 I am writing here. I'll continue last problem. When repetition is allowed, first place, because 0 is not there in the number given problem, I can write in 6 ways, 6 ways, 6 ways, 6 ways, 6 raised to 4 ways. So this each place can be filled in 6 ways. Therefore, total number of ways equals to 6 raised to 4, because 0 is not like this here. So if 0 would have been there, I would have written here 5. Next problem. A number of 4 different digits. See, read carefully. Whenever problem is given, you read carefully. Different means repetition is not allowed. Different digits is formed by using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in all possible ways. So how many ways we can write like this, and find how many of them are greater than 3000. See, we can form 4-digit number. We are having totally 8. 0 is not there. So 8p4, that is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That is 1680. When a number is greater than 3000, when a number is greater than 3000, see here, when a number is greater than 3000, I should not take number here less than 3, first number. So I can write 3 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can fill this in 6 ways. And remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Now 1 has gone here. So remaining 7p3 ways. Or you can write this is 7 into 6 into 5. It will be same. See here. When a number is greater than 3000, then the first place can be filled in any one of the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be 6 ways. Remaining 3 places can be filled by using remaining 7 digits. So that can be done in 7p3 ways. And therefore total number of ways is equals to 6 into 7p3. That is 6 into 7 into 6 into 5. That is 1260. Next one. A number of 4 different digit numbers is to be formed by using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many of them are greater than 4000? Greater than 4000 means first place I can write this or this or this or this or this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. See here, greater than 4000. So first place can be filled by using any one of the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 6 ways. And remaining 3 places, there are totally 9. 1 has gone here. It will be 8p3 ways. So it will be, total number of ways will be 6 into 8p3. That will be 6 into 8 into 7 into 6. It was possible for me to multiply. You multiply these two together, then you multiply. This is the answer. When it is easy, you find out answer. In the same question, it is written that the number should be less than 6000. Your digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than 6000 means you can use any one of them. So first place, see, we are having 1 to 9 numbers. First place can be filled by using any one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5 ways. And remaining 3 places in 8p3 ways. So total number of ways will be 3 into 8p3. That will be 5 into 8 into 7 into 6. That is 1680. Next question is asked, number is divisible by 2 or even number. First, when it is even, you know it should be divisible by 2 here, number. Correct? So first you feel this. Afterwards you feel here. Because one number will go here, already even number will go. Then here it will have less choice. So first you feel this place. Units place or last place. Units place or last place can be filled by using any one of the digits, even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. That is in 4 ways. And first 3 you can fill in 8p3 ways. So total number of ways will be this into this. While writing, be careful. First you fill this and then go here. Otherwise here if you will fill all even numbers will go here, it will be no choice. So same thing while writing, you see order. So first you fill last place, then you fill this one. So that is the answer. Next one, with this number is divisible by 5. We have to find out how many numbers are divisible by 5 from that. If it is divisible by 5, last number should be either 0 or 5. So here 0 is not there, 5 is there. So unit place, last place can be filled by only one digit 5. So that is only one way. Remaining first 3 places can be filled in 8p3. So last place you fill first, then you fill this and then you write. Don't interchange this, its meaning will be different. The total number of ways will be 1 into 8p3, that is 1 into 8 into 7 into 6, that is 336. A number is divisible by 4. When the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, it must be divisible by 4. Whenever number is given, see any big number is given, but last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 here. 24 is there, anything is here, it will be divisible by 4. So here, last 2 digits must be any one of the form 1, 12, 16, 24. I will start with 1. From this, I will start with 1. Then 12. When 12 is there, then 16 also you can take. Then start with 2. Start with 4. You cannot take 4 because different digits we want. If you understood this, then write. Otherwise, forget about this problem. So 24, 28, 32, 36, 44 I should not write because repetition is there. So all these numbers you will get, they are 16 ways. If you want, you can check, they all are divisible by 4 by using 1 to 9. And first place can be filled in, see here, first place can be filled in first 2 places. See here, last 2 places, 4 digit number, no? So first 2 places can be filled in 7p2 ways. 7 numbers will remain. Out of 9, 2 we are using here, last 2 we are using 2 here digits. So here 7 will remain. So total number of ways will be 16 into 7 into 6. 7p2 is 7 into 6, that is 672. Now I will stop here. Next time I will solve some more problems. Then when the repetitions are there, same numbers are repeatedly are there, such type of problems I will take. So you try to understand this problem. So I will stop here now.